Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my Glow 4G MiFi and at the same time showing you how you can connect the Wi-Fi to your phone or laptop. So guys, now let's unbox my Glow 4G MiFi. You can see I just got it newly and I haven't even opened it yet. Just see the carton, how it looks. Take it around. Zoe technology. Here's the model E5576321. Color it's white. Here's the IMEI. Here's the serial number. You can see it, right? So now let's open it. Okay, here's a MiFi, LDPE, 4G, mobile Wi-Fi. Let's see what comes inside. Here's a charger. It's actually a normal charger, not a type C charger. Here's the battery, Huawei. Yes, the SIM card. Okay, if you got it newly, now you can buy at any Glow shop or any shop that sells Glow items. They will get the SIM card registered, and if you buy it newly, you will get a 30 gig bonus to start with. And to activate the 30 gig, you must have to first of all recharge the SIM card with at least 100 or 200 and make at least one call, so that your 30 gig bonus will get activated and you start using it. Also comes with a manual. You can see here's a manual, so in case you don't know how to set up, configure it, you can just go through this manual carefully and see how to use it, how to log in the admin portal, and how to, in fact, everything about it. Okay, so it's empty. So all here are the features, the things, the items that come with the Glow 4G MiFi. Now let's start with the MiFi proper. Here's the MiFi. Let's open it. Now let's go around and see how it looks. Here's the charging port. Here's where you can put your finger and open it. Here's the power button. If you just press and hold it like 2 seconds, it will get on. And here are the network indicators. There's a battery. There will be a green light here, battery light, SMS light, and network light or LED. So this one doesn't come with a WPS button at the body, unlike MTN and Airtel. Now to open it, just okay, this is how it looks inside. At the cover here, no any inscription here. Now let's come right here. You can see here at the body, you do write all the information right here: the Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi name, and the admin portal login details. Right here is the model. You can see it, right? Model E5576321. Here's the IP address. To log into the admin portal, here's the IP address 192.168.8.1, and the password to enter is admin in small letter. And you can see right here is SSID, so Glow Mobile Wi-Fi. So it means that your Wi-Fi name, default Wi-Fi name for now, is Glow Mobile Wi-Fi. SSID means the name of your Wi-Fi, while the Wi-Fi key is the password. So if you want to connect right now to your laptop or to phone, this SSID, Glow Mobile Wi-Fi, is your Wi-Fi name, while this Wi-Fi key TBBTBNN4 is the password. You can see it, right? So here is done by Zoe Technology Co Limited. You can see here the CEO also wrote, okay, and here's the SIM card slot, but this one doesn't have a memory card slot, unlike the MTN and the Airtel. So just insert your SIM card here. Now let's see our SIM card. Let's open our SIM card. This is our SIM pack. Okay, it comes in micro and a full SIM. For me, I like detaching and use the full SIM, so let's break it. You can use only micro, but for me, I like to insert the SIM here and use it fully. And to see your phone number, here's the SIM pack, and you see right here at the SIM pack, mobile phone is my number. You can see, right? Mobile number, this one here, phone number. So just bring your SIM card and insert it right here. It has been inserted. You can see, right? Now let's see the battery. The battery energy is 5.7 watts and it's just 1500 mAh. So it won't be too strong. It won't be too strong, but at least it can serve up to 4 hours. You can see it's very flat. The MiFi also is very flat. Look at it looks so sleek and flat. So to insert the battery inside, you can see it right here. After inserting your SIM card, your battery, press it to enter. Then bring your cover. Now to on it, come to the power button here, press and hold it. You can see, and all these light indicators will be on. The battery light is on. This one is showing red, means it's not yet connected to any device. Now let me show you how to connect to my phone. I'll bring my phone. Okay, it's green now, means there's network and I can get connected right now. Now if you just on it and you want to connect your phone, either your phone or your laptop, just bring your phone and swipe and go to your Wi-Fi area and tap your Wi-Fi. You can tap and hold it so that you go to your Wi-Fi settings and you can see the Wi-Fi, my Glow, the Wi-Fi will appear here. You can see right, Glow Mobile Wi-Fi C992. Now to connect, just come here and tap and it will ask for your password. So you will have to copy the password down. The password is right here. Now let me show you the password. You can see right here, Wi-Fi key TBBTBNN4. So you can copy it down, but also if you open the battery, you will see it at the body of the MiFi. So I'll come here and put my Wi-Fi key or password right here. TBBTBNN4. I can show the Wi-Fi to see it. TBBTBNN4. I'll tap on connect. You can see right here connected and I can start using it. So that's how you can actually connect it. Understand? It's very simple. I can start to use it. You can see it right. So you can do it on your phone, connect to your phone, to your laptop, and to everything. So guys, for now after connecting it to your device, your laptop or your phone, now you have to log into the admin portal so that you can finish up the configuration and set up, like maybe if you want to change the Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi name, or the admin portal login details, and also other configuration things that you will do.